All right, so I'm in my daughter's room. So today we are actually gonna try the what are they called, bookshelves. Yes, we're gonna put the bookshelves in my daughter's closet. We'll see how it goes. I'm really exhausted already. I've been folding laundry the whole morning. It's like 1:43. I thought I would be doing this in the morning, but the whole morning was all laundry. So right now, my daughter's closet, this is how it looks like. It is a walk-in closet. It's all her clothes. I just feel like this, it's not really organized like I want it to be. So I'm just hoping that, I guess it's a hack, with the bookshelves, it's gonna work. I've seen a lot of videos and they look really good, and I just want to try it on my daughter's closet and see how that's gonna turn out. I was hoping to do this when she was in school, but she's gonna be back home in like an hour. So if she gets here, well and good. We'll probably just do it together. I was hoping it's gonna be like a surprise. I like surprising my kids, so, but I guess that's not happening. I'm exhausted. This baby is popping, 30 weeks pregnant. So anyway, let's do this. I'm gonna start by taking out everything from the closet. The closet is empty. Completely. Didn't even take me that much time. This is how it looks like. That's her closet. So I'm thinking of putting, I have 4, but I'm thinking of utilizing maybe 2, and maybe put the other 2 in my boys' room, because they have a smaller closet and they're actually sharing it. No, put it on the bed, on the baby's bed. Yeah. On that bed. I don't think I'm gonna be doing any painting today. There's gonna be too much work. They have stickers on the wall. I don't know if I'm gonna be putting anything on this wall. I feel like I'm just gonna be utilizing this wall right here, the big one, and this side right here. So it's time to take these wire shelves off. I have a drill. We'll see how it goes.
It might be too early to say, but I found the love of my life. 너도 나와 같은 맘인걸. The way you make me feel is gonna change the way I used to be. 잊혀질 환상일까? 두려워하는 나의 손을 잡아줄 거란 뜻을 알아. Baby, take my hand. You're my teddy bear, teddy bear. 내 마른 사랑과 내게 쳐다줘. You're my teddy bear, teddy bear. 부드러운 너의 품, 나는 원해 너의 눈, the sweet. You're my teddy bear, my teddy bear. 이대로 시간이 멈춘데도 좋아. You're my teddy bear, my teddy bear. 부드러운 너의 품, 나만 원해 너의 눈. 나연히 내게 보낸 reels 하나둘씩 클릭해보는 너의 생각들. Yeah, look at me, baby, you and me. 하루 종일 혼자라도 not only lonely. How close to me, baby, just like a dream.
Alright, so far the shelf is out. There was 2 of them and it's all out. both of them are out, but this particular screw has refused to come out. I think it was in the stud. The drill is not working. I think the head is really been eaten up, so I have to figure out a way of taking it out. That's the only thing that's left. And then look at those big holes. Oh my goodness. Some big holes left on the wall. Then I have to figure out how to patch them up. We have these 4 bookshelves. Still not 100% sure how I want it to go in my daughter's closet, but I'm thinking, I have 4. I'm thinking of maybe doing 2 in her closet and 2 in my boys' closet, because they don't have a walk-in closet. Their room is bigger, but their closet is really small, so their stuff is really squeezed. So I'm thinking of doing 2 too. We'll see how it goes, but I think I'm gonna open one box and just start setting everything up while I wait for my husband, because we need to go to Home Depot and get the rods and get the whatever that thing is called to patch the holes in the walls, in the closet wall, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Alright, so far 2 are up. This is almost done. I need to charge my GoPro. This one is not even opened yet. I'll show you how the closet looks like now. This is how the closet looks like now with 2. I'm not really sure how I want to place them yet, but so far this is how it looks like. I still haven't put the rods in, but for sure it's coming up, so, and I need to patch the holes too. Alright, so far this is how the closet looks like. I mean, we can have the holes in the wall, but we didn't paint. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that right now. But so far, this is how it looks like. I'm still not done yet. So let's figure out how I'm going to arrange it. We still have to put the poles and then the clothes pole or whatever on here and down here. I don't really see it and she likes it already, so that's a good thing.
All the little things you do, you're my teddy bear, teddy bear. 나는 사랑받는 저도 좋아. You're my teddy bear, teddy bear. 부드러운 너의 품, 나를 원해 너의 눈, the sweetest. It might be too early to say, but I found the love of my life, my life.
Alright guys, so I'm finally done with my daughter's closet. It took us a few days, but it's done. And probably trying to figure out where other things are gonna go, but all her clothes, her dresses, her shirts, her pants, everything is in the closet, which is good. I even put in her pajamas in there, had space. So before, her pajamas were somewhere else, her shirts were in the drawer and all that. So now everything is just in her closet, which is really perfect. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like now. Probably in the future I'm gonna, you know, move some stuff around, but for now this is how it's gonna stay, at least for the next few weeks, months, years, whatever. She loves it already. She's seen it. She says, "Mommy, I love my closet. I love how it looks like." I moved things around. Initially I had like 4 bookshelves in there. I decided to take one out. There was space for it, but there wasn't really anything for me to put in there, so I switched it with something else. So let's see how it looks.
Not only lonely, come close to me, baby, just like a dream, yeah. 따뜻한 나의 품. 고개 들어 이렇게 눈 맞추면 you make me go crazy. All the little things you do, you're my teddy bear, teddy bear. 나는 사랑받는 저도 좋아. You're my teddy bear, teddy bear. 부드러운 너의 품, 나는 원해 너의 눈, the sweetest. 불가능한 나에게 어디가 그렇게 좋냐고 물어보면 난 이렇게 대답할래. 내게 10번의 기회가 있다던 나에게 all in. 해가 2번 아니 3번 뜰 때까지 너의 옆에. Come close to me, baby, just like a dream, yeah. 이런 남자면 I wanna know everything about you. 살짝 몰래 내게 입 맞추면 you make me go crazy. All the little things you do, you're my teddy bear, teddy bear. 나는 사랑받는 저도 좋아. You're my teddy bear, teddy bear. 부드러운 너의 품, 나는 원해 너의 눈, the sweetest.